AGCO Zambia, after undertaking a project in October 2017, AGCO saw mistakes that came out of that project, and then AGCO thought it's better that we iron out those problems and bring things in a farm in a box that would help the agro dealers or the farmers to run their projects nicely without the mistakes that we experienced. Some of the problems that we faced, one would be how to get the spare parts and how to repair the tractors or the implements in case faults develop. Before the container goes there to the farmers, we bring our operators here. We train them on how to handle these tractors nicely, the training on how to drive these tractors. These tractors also have telemetries on the tractors, such that when the tractor is switched on, whatever that tractor is doing is being monitored. The information is being sent to AGCO, the future farm. It helps us to monitor the kilometers covered, the hectareage the tractor has done, and quite a number of issues pertaining to the operation of the machine. We are able to capture it from here. The farm in a box can be bought by the small scale and the emerging farmers. This package can also be used by NGOs and cooperatives to enhance farming in Africa as a whole.
I've been managing the farming box for 3 months. The community are even very happy because previously they have been using conventional farming. I've liked the farming box due to the package which is there. One, a reaper, a planter, and there will be even a plow dish inside. We have even engaged the youth in the program. Then we are even intending to say, as we grow, we need to have about 3 women within our project to work with us. It has become very simple for the farmers to make land prep within short time, and even increasing the yield of the output of farming. I've got 10 employees. The returns which I get from the project, that's where I get the money to pay my workers. Since I've obtained the farming box, my business has changed. More income is floating in.
Currently, I'm helping my father to do record keeping using the computer. This project is good because it is helping us and it is helping the community for farming and transporting inputs from one place to another. Through this project, we can make money, then that money can help us to go to college.
Africa plays a pivotal role in feeding the world's ever-growing population, and AGCO has now come in to bridge the gap between the nutritional needs of the ever-growing population and the gaps that exist in the agricultural sector. In the effort to make Africa the breadbasket that the world desperately needs, AGCO has developed an inclusive and sustainable mechanization strategy which tries to bring all farmers on board to ensure that they contribute towards ending the world's hunger.
Farm in a box to me means empowering women and youth in agricultural communities. Women do most of the work in agriculture. They do more than 50%, and most of this work is backbreaking and difficult. Agriculture mechanization through the farm in a box will help to reduce their workload and give them more time to focus on other income-generating activities. Africa has the youngest population in the world, and we need to create jobs for all these young people. Farm in a box will create employment opportunities in agricultural communities, and these young people will also be trained and empowered with the technical skills to operate and repair machinery.
I'm from Senegal. I'm coming for training in Agro Zambia Future Farm. For me, Farming in a Box is a perfect model for mechanization, African farming system that strengthens and improve the capacity and productivity of the community.
My name is Mohamed Sen from Senegal. I've noticed that in Senegal, the after-sales service is not well developed. So the Farming in a Box concept, from my side, I think that he will help the farmers to improve their efficiency, especially when it comes to spare parts.
I come from Kenya. The Farming in a Box initiative for me is a means to empowering communities in Africa in the long run, and as a result this will hopefully educate and enable the future generations coming in to be able to look after their crops, learn more about their crops, probably build on the business idea of selling vegetables, helping one another and building the community at large.
Farming in a Box is the future of Africa's agriculture. This is because it is designed as a solution to help meet the challenges that are currently facing the African farmer. Agro dealers are able to rent out tractors to smallholder farmers or emerging farmers who are not able to buy tractors due to lack of finance.